Welcome back. Today we've got a 2007 late spec Gen 1 911 Carrera 2S in black with the 19s, freshly powder coated in silver, looking amazing. This one only 59,000 miles from new. It's got the sports exhaust as well. It's got the black, sort of the black tips done, which look really nice. Alcantara roof lining. You've got sports seats. You've got the active suspension. And like I said, only 59,000 miles from new. So let's have a look around. So front end, pretty good. Very, very light stone chipping. Nothing you would do anything with. Sloping front end on these Porsches do suffer a bit more than your average car. But pretty good to be fair. Certainly a future investment for someone. Recent service as well. And it's had some maintenance done as well with Porsche Specialist. Looking nice there. So you got the black tips, which are a nice touch, I think, with the black badge as well. All looking pretty good. I think this one's got a sports shifter as well, being a manual. It just adds to the drive a little bit if you've never driven one. It's just a slightly shorter throw between the gears, which makes it a slightly nicer feel. There we go, that's the exterior done. Let's have a look inside. So we've got black leather in good condition, no issues there. Back seats, like so many, never been sat in by the looks of it. And it's got the Alcantara roof lining, which is in very nice condition as well. Obviously in good condition as well there. And there's your mileage, 59k. Let's get inside. So sat nav doesn't work on these. I don't think it even has a map. No disc in there. I know you can get Apple CarPlay units to put in there. I've had quite a few of those done for customers. They look really nice little upgrade. You've got obviously the active suspension and you've got the active exhaust. I'll give you a little sound of the exhaust. So this is with the flaps closed. And now this is it with the flaps open. Let's pop the spoiler up. So that makes a big difference, I think, with the exhaust. And ones that actually works. A lot of these flaps get seized up over the time. Spoiler all looking good. And there you go. One nice 911 with low mileage. Guys, if you like what you see, there'll be a link directly below in the description, which will take you straight to the advert. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. Bye.